Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We meet again on Mr. Haru's channel, a channel that faithfully accompanies you in exploring this increasingly sophisticated and extraordinary world of AI. This time, we will discuss and test AI models on a cool platform, namely JXP. So what and how is JXP? Let's watch the following video until the end.
Hello, guys. We meet again. Hope you're all doing awesome and life hasn't turned your Wi-Fi into connecting forever mode. So today, we're going to talk about a super complete and seriously cool AI platform called JXP. JXP is a digital technology company focused on video media solutions, streaming, publishing, and digital content monetization. The company helps publishers, broadcasters, streamers, and advertisers manage and distribute video content across multiple platforms through an integrated workflow system. In this video, we are going to test the capabilities of JXP, especially for AI image generation and AI video generation. We'll see together just how powerful this platform really is. Can the AI models deliver awesome results? Are they reliable enough to help with real creative projects? Or will the AI suddenly create a six-fingered superhero riding a flying banana? Well, there's only one way to find out. So without wasting more time, let's jump straight into the tutorial and start testing it right now. All right, guys. To get started, just enter through the link I've already placed in the video description or in the pinned comment below, okay? After that, we'll be taken directly to the homepage of JXP. From here, we can just log in right away. And to make life easier, because we're here to create AI content, not solve ancient puzzles, just log in using Google account. Simply choose the account you want to use, continue the login process, and boom, done. Super simple, fast, and no complicated. After logging in, we'll be brought back to the homepage again. But we're not going to spend too much time touring around JXP, guys, because honestly, if we explore every menu one by one, this video might turn into a full Netflix series. So instead, we'll jump straight into testing the AI features available on this platform. And the very first thing we're going to test is the most basic AI feature ever, image generation. For this first test, we'll use the easiest method, text to image. From the menu lined up at the top of the page, just click on AI Image 2. Inside this section, there are several AI models available for image generation, such as Seedream, Nano Banana, Chrono Edit, and also GPT Image 2. And for this test, we're going with the newest and currently super popular model right now, OpenAI's GPT Image 2. Because when something is trending in the AI world, of course we have to test it immediately, before another new model suddenly appears 5 minutes later and makes us feel outdated again. Once we enter the GPT Image 2 page, we can immediately activate the text-to-image mode. After that, we just need to fill in the prompt. For example, let's create an image of a beautiful girl with a friendly face standing in a futuristic garden background. Next, choose the aspect ratio. For this example, we'll use 3:4. Then for the resolution, let's just pick 2K so the creation process doesn't take long. For the quality setting, choose high so the result looks more detailed and awesome. And finally, just click the generate button, then sit back and wait for the AI magic to happen. And the result is finished surprisingly fast. Let's download it first, guys. Now, take a look at this. The image quality is seriously amazing. The details are super impressive, from the lighting, the facial expression, all the way to the futuristic background. Here, we're zooming out to around 48% so we can see the full image clearly. And if we zoom into 100%, it looks like this. Look at those details. And remember, earlier we only set the resolution to 2K. Imagine if we used 4K instead. The image would look even sharper, bigger, and crazily detailed. so far, the GPT Image 2 model inside JXP feels really powerful and reliable for generating high-quality AI images. Now, let's try the second method, image to image. Go back to the GPT Image 2 page from earlier, then activate the edit mode. After that, upload the reference image. For this test, we'll use the image we generated earlier using the text-to-image feature. Next, type in the prompt. For example, we want to change the character's outfit into a formal office outfit, give her blonde hair, and also modify the character's pose a little bit. For the aspect ratio, we'll intentionally choose a different one from the original reference image just to test how flexible and intelligent the AI really is. As for the settings, we'll keep the resolution at 2K and the image quality set to high, just like before. And once everything is ready, simply click the Generate button and let the AI do the rest. And now the result is finally ready. So let's take a closer look, guys. The AI really followed the instructions from the prompt very well. The character's outfit changed successfully, the hair color became blonde, and even the pose was adjusted exactly like we requested. What's even more impressive is that the aspect ratio also changed, but the image composition still looks balanced and natural. That's honestly pretty amazing. This shows that the AI is not only good at editing details, but also smart enough to maintain the overall composition and visual quality of the image. So for image generation, I think all the other AI models available inside JXP are probably just as reliable too. After all, those other models became popular much earlier and already proved their capabilities long before GPT Image 2 even arrived. All right, guys, now it's time to level things up. We're going to test the video generation feature. And for this test, we'll use the image to video method. So from the menu bar at the top of the page, click on AI Video. Then choose the AI model that's currently trending for video generation right now, Seedance 2.0. Once we enter the page, make sure the reference generation mode is activated, because this time we're going to create a video based on a reference image. After that, we just need to upload the reference image. Here, I already prepared a storyboard sheet for a 15-second video, and yes, you can totally ask ChatGPT to help create something like this too. Next, fill in the prompt. Make sure the prompt matches the reference image so the AI can better understand the scene and generate a more accurate video. For the model, we'll choose Seedance 2.0. Then for the resolution, let's keep it at 720p first so the generation process won't take forever until our snacks run out. For the aspect ratio, choose 16:9 to give the video a more cinematic look. Then set the duration to 15 seconds, and finally, click the Generate button and wait for the process to finish. And once the result is finally finished, wow, this video is seriously incredible. Just take a look at the motion, the transitions, and the overall cinematic feel. The AI managed to turn a simple storyboard reference into something that actually looks like a real short movie scene. The movements feel smooth, the composition stays consistent, and the atmosphere matches the prompt really well. Honestly, this is already more than enough for content creation, storytelling, or even professional creative projects.
As sweet as my life, even though I'm tired from working every day, my heart is still happy. But sadly, this happiness only exists in an AI-generated world.
Well, that's a brief explanation of what and how the workflow on the JXP platform works. If the video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next interesting video. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.